I want you to set aside other tasks which may disturb you while enjoying the lessons. Follow carefully all the contents and instructions indicated on every page of this module. Write in your notebook the concept about the lessons. Writing enhances learning, which is important to develop and keep in mind. Perform all the provided activities in the module. Use a separate sheet of paper in answering the exercises. Finish the task at hand before proceeding to the next page. Analyze conceptually the post-test and apply what you have learned. If you encounter any difficulty in answering the tasks in this module, do not hesitate to ask for help from your teacher. The performing arts are arts such as music, dance, and drama that are performed for an audience. Performing arts include a range of disciplines that are performed in front of a live audience, including theater, music, and dance. Principles of art as applied to an original performance. Rhythm, movement, balance, emphasis, harmony, unity, and variety proportion. Elements of art as applied to an original performance. Sound and music, gesture, movement, and dance, costume, mask, makeup, and accessories, spectacle. Sound and music incorporating sound recording and editing techniques available using applications for desktop or laptop computers, tablets, and Android phones. Gesture, movement, and dance incorporating appropriate dance styles and techniques learned in physical education classes. Costume, mask, makeup, and accessories incorporating art techniques such as painting, papier-mâché, assemblage, simple sculpture, and industrial design. Spectacle creating a striking, even or inspiring effect on stage through the use of lighting, sound, music, costumes, dance, and special effects. Identify the elements and principles of arts applied to the original performance. Identify the elements and principles of arts applied to the original performance. Identify the elements and principles of arts applied to the original performance. Identify the elements and principles of arts applied to the original performance. Identify the elements and principles of arts applied to the original performance.